What is that?
An egg.
What is it made of?
Paper.
Oh, what do you think's inside?
Toys.
Is this a giant egg?
Yeah.
All right. You think there's anything in there?
Yeah.
All right. See if you can get into it.
Need some help. Help.
Maybe grab your stick.
Huh?
Where's your stick? Okay, let's try this.
The lady cleans it on the ground.
Let me repeat. There. Whoa!
Keep going, bud.
What is this?
Oh, there's spots there.
Punch it.
I see something. It's the hole.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, punch that spot.
Punch it.
No. You can whip it. I think so. I think I can do it.
Oh my.
All right, reach in there.
Wow!
Is there anything else? Get the other ones out.
What is that guy?
I'm Blaze.
Yeah.
Wow! Heat wave.
Heat wave.
All right. Is there anything else in there?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Keep going. Get them all out.
Airplanes.
Whoa. Look at this.
Sticky hands.
Oh, cool. Any more?
Yeah, it's this. Yeah.
Silly string.
Yeah, go sing.
Keep going.
I got transformer.
Keep going. Reach in there. Anything else?
I see something. Optimus.
What? Keep going.
This is super good. Woo.
All right. Is that all of it? Is it empty?
Not of stuff more. My lot of stuff.
There is. Keep going.
Bumblebee, motorcycle.
Oh my goodness.
It's like a motorcycle. See?
Good job.
It's lots of more stuff. It's gonna be more showing. See?
More
It's more.
silly string.
Go see.
Oh my goodness. Keep getting them.
Mom, we have to bring these inside, okay?
We will, for sure.
I see something. Whoa.
Oh, those are goggles.
Yeah. One more. One more thing in here.
Is that
And it's gonna be gears.
Goose.
it?
Is that everything, Mom?
I think so.
All right, Carter, give it a beat with the stick. One more time.
Huh?
Grab your stick.
Beat up the egg.
Get the egg.
Carter, get it.
What?
Now beat the egg.
Elmo.
Bring it over here, though.
Beat it. Out.
Nice.
What? Oh. Got you.
One more big whack.